You want to see them youth, you want money, but them don't want work for it, you know. So we have to get rid of him. So for now, I may drive the bus.
Well, if you want, I can check anybody in my circle and get a new driver for you.
Yeah, that good, but I want to see some have a list of youth. Well, may I try out, but may I take my time. You know what I mean? Man, I want to just run go through it, so. Because they say the pickup thing, you have to be on time and you can't late for that. So me will go and run it off for now until I sort out the list of the new drivers, yeah?
I understand that completely. And the truth is, I follow the business owner, I have to protect it.
I'm glad you understand that.
More you supposed to tell us, say, we used to operate that shop there, right?
Yeah, she did tell me. And my day I wonder why I did close it up. Because people always want food, you know.
Well, between me and my partner, we get really busy, so we don't have time for operate the shop. But we want meet back, but not as a shop.
So, what you have in mind?
You don't mind if I show you?
No, man. Go ahead.
Okay. Yeah. So this is what it looked like. No. But me I think for turn it into one lounge.
Okay, that sounds like a good idea. But the people them will support you.
Well, may not depend on the people in the area alone. But we have tourists who come in and out, so that would help.
Lounge. Why liquor over food? Everybody consume food and everybody drink liquor.
You're right, you know. But a whole heap of shopping at the area. So a lounge wouldn't be so bad.
So, you gotta make it look different from a regular bar.
Definitely. It's almost like a mini sports bar.
And you say tourists coming in the area. Sound like a good plan. I like where it's space there.
Yeah. It'll come like a community tourism business.
Smart. I feel it for work. So, you did talk to your partner about it already?
Well, in come back recently, and me and him talk about it. I don't have a problem with it.
Alright. Just do the thing. We're not two young people. Make it work.
Yeah. Thanks for the advice. You know, say somebody that plan for investing in the business.
Well, just make sure you check out all the investor them before you get in a business with them. Yes?
Yeah, me gonna do that. And he's a man where own a restaurant in a Ola about my name Tantrum. Yeah, ever hear about it?
Hear about it. So, how you get to know him?
Me did in the area. Plus, me teach dance classes down that side. And somebody tell me say there's a restaurant over there. I'ma go over there and him introduce himself to me.
Alright. Well, just consider for just kick off this by yourself and your partner. You know what I mean?
Maybe alright.
Here we are going now. The shop done in the yard already. See? Some things if you just go on the thing, you don't need to go out and get an investor. And your partner just come together and discuss everything and do the business.
True. I will have to start small and then grow. So thanks, Mr. Swaby. We really gotta have this conversation.
Yeah, man. I want to see me have a pickup for me, you know. So I have to lift up. But anytime you want good advice, you can just link me. Me glad so we have that target to. Big up yourself on that and them two on there. One.
Mr. Swaby.
Yes, Toniann.
I have a group of foreigners coming down and they're gonna be here about 2 weeks time. You think you can pick them up for me?
Just let me know the date and the time. And from the bus free, consider it done.
How much you go charge?
Yeah, well, the one you on the house, just consider it a family favor.
Thanks, I really appreciate it. And me will send the details to you.
Alright. Lep on the move here. One. Toniann, remember when I tell you about that investor thing there? Do it alone. Better yet, you and your partner deal with it. Yeah?
Yeah, man, definitely. Thanks again.
Yeah man, you're welcome.